In this video, we're gonna make sauerkraut. Why? For Oktoberfest. Coming up. You know, you're welcome to do this if you think you can do it better.
Just let me do it.
Welcome to Northwoods Kindred. In this video, we're gonna welcome to Northwoods Kindred. On this channel, what the hell's my line?
What the hell are you saying? Welcome to Northwoods Kindred. I'm your girl, Goldbar.
That's what I want. That's what I missed.
Just Google.
Welcome to Welcome to Northwoods Kindred. I'm your Goldie Bodvar.
And I'm your just Google.
Screwed that up. On this channel, we discuss all things Awesome True Kindred related. So our next gathering is going to be kind of an October gathering. Well, maybe not our next one, but the one after that. And before we get to that, we want to be able to make our own sauerkraut because we always do kind of krauts and dogs for Oktoberfest for the Winter Nights gathering. So we got to make the sauerkraut, and we're going to do that today, and you're going to be here to watch it. So congratulations, you found us.
You're going to take the outer layers off, you're going to cut them up, you're going to core them, we're going to weigh them because it matters how much salt per cabbage. So
the core of the cabbage is actually kind of hard to get through, but you got to kind of cut it in half in order to get to a point where you can cut it out. So the core of the cabbage is right here. And you ain't got to be too particular about it. I just cut it out in a V, and that's what it is right there. And that's garbage.
No,
we don't even want that.
Chicken bucket.
We don't even want that.
Okay, well you need to cut those in half.
Yeah, I'll get that.
Okay.
So, and then there's another one, and that one you just go in the chicken bucket. And then we cut these in half. You know, you're welcome to do this if you think you can do it better.
Just let me do it. Wow! Wow! Come on, Goldbar. Come on. Okay. Anyway.
Goldie power. Heat. Let it happen. It happened. We're doing chalkboards. Okay, so what do we have?
For 1.5.
What?
4 pounds?
4 pounds, 1.5 ounces. 1.5. Hold on, that one. Into the chicken bucket.
You're not helping.
I'm helping. I'm helping. You should have taken that core out first.
I'm gonna take it out next. This is ruining it. You're totally sleeping tonight. I hope you know that.
4 pounds, 1.6. So why are we weighing this cabbage? Explain to people why the cabbage needs to be weighed.
Because we have to do a cabbage to salt ratio.
By weight?
Yeah, by weight, so it gets the proper fermentation while it's in the crop.
Cabbage to salt ratio by weight.
And that's all it takes to make sauerkraut is cabbage and salt. And if you do it right, you don't even have to add water.
The time right now, if you're gonna make kraut for Oktoberfest, it's the time to buy it. So we couldn't find cabbage. So yeah, 3 different grocery stores. We had to cross state lines and illegally import cabbage from Washington in order to...
No laws were broken in the importing of cabbage.
Well, we don't really know that. We don't really know that no laws are broken. I'm sure I at least broke the speed limit. This number is. Alright.
Okay.
So 1.5 plus
1.6.
17 pounds, 5.9 ounces. So we are there. So good.
Hold on. Let me.
So good.
Stop eating it. You're changing the weight.
Not by much.
Okay, so 5 to 8 grams, max 15 grams. 5 to 8 grams of salt for 1 keg of cabbage.
Kilogram. What do you mean a keg?
Who says keg? kg.
Yeah, kilogram.
Yeah, keg.
A kilogram is 1/100 of a gram.
Okay, well, 1 keg of cabbage, 5 to 8 grams of salt.
So how many ounces of salt do you need?
2.25.
Is that for 17 grams last time?
17 pounds of cabbage.
17 pounds, because I can reduce your poundage a little bit.
No. You are.
What?
Okay, I need.
Come out, bro. I'm tearing it. Hold on. How much you need?
2.25
Pounds?
ounces.
2.25 ounces?
Yes, 2.25 ounces.
You realize how little salt that actually is?
Yes.
There you go.
How did it go from 2.2 to 2.5?
I don't know, but you gotta take some of that.
Are you mixing for me?
You can mix your own.
Babes.
It'll work for you.
Like, you want to go get rubber gloves?
I'll get beer.
Okay, so go get us both a beer. I'm going to put my hair up so we don't have tiny red hairs in it.
Good deal. You're putting your hair up, I was getting a little. Oh, that's good. So you can cut all this stuff by hand with a knife too.
I have to.
We have all these lame tools, so we might as well use them. Most of them we got at Goodwill or some resale shop. So.
This and the fermentation crock we actually got from our Goldie of Gallahorn.
Oh, that's right. Mine Goldie sent these to us.
So how cool that we're making sauerkraut for our kindred.
Yeah, for our kindred for Oktoberfest or Winter Nights Gathering with a set of tools that were given to us by my Goldie.
So that looks okay, huh?
Yeah, that looks great. Can't believe this bowl isn't big enough.
We're going to mix this.
With salt?
Yep. So we just got cabbage. And got some salt.
I don't exactly know what I'm doing here. I'm just mixing.
Yeah, you're like.
Like
yes,
this?
Yes.
What the hell for? Am I breaking it down?
Yeah, the salt is going to break down all the cabbage and it's going to start wilting, leaching a whole bunch of water. Because if we do it right, we'll get all the water we need out of the cabbage and the salt. And we don't have to add any extra water. Okay, you're making a mess.
I know, it's not doing what it's supposed to do.
Okay, let's move it in this then. This is normally what I do it in. And that just may be too...
Yeah, it's a little too unsteady. You said do it in the crock or the bowl. I didn't know you meant this. I thought you meant the actual clay crock.
No, this thing.
Yeah, this is way better.
Yeah.
Way better.
And the reason you're wearing gloves is because
I have a cut on my finger and I don't want salt in it.
No. Because with all this salt, your hands will burn for like 2 days straight.
Because I have a cut on my finger and I don't want salt in it?
No, because the salt will dry your hands out so badly that no amount of lotion will soften them up.
No amount of lotion softens your mom up. It's already almost nothing.
There it is. You gotta treat it like it's dirty. Know what I'm saying?
No. No, you're gonna have to speak more clearly. Next time you talk about your whore cabbage.
I'm chewing.
Recording, what do you think?
I'm chewing, it's so
It's
good.
okay, you can chew.
So, it's pretty wilted. You can see a whole lot of juice down there. I'm gonna add this to my fermentation crock and I'm going to compress it into like one big tight cabbage tower. That's the goal. So I put a little bit in there and then I'm using my fist and I'm just pounding it.
Breaking it down and compressing it?
Yeah. to be no higher than 4/5 of the crock. I think is what the thing said.
4/5?
4/5. Like,
what a random
I don't know. It's
measurement.
It's German.
4/5.
So,
Not 1/4, 1/2, 4/5.
So look at all this liquid I have going on in here now. Because the more I squish it down, all the liquid, all the juice comes to the top.
And that's all out of the cabbage without any extra.
Just salt. Salt and do it right, you won't have to add any extra brine. It's pretty good. And then I have the weights. They go in here. And they will keep the cabbage down. That much juice.
Wow.
That's where I'm touching the bricks.
Fermented beverages, fermented foods, fermented breads.
You know, there's so many things.
We rock with fermentation.
Here's the lid. It has this, and you put it on, and then you're gonna fill this with water to cover the hole. And in about 2 to 3 days, it will start burping. You'll hear it
Bubbling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you will totally hear it burping. And depending on the temperature in the house or around it, you might have to add water a lot more than usual. If we leave our cats inside, they have a tendency to drink the juice in the rim.
That's right, I forgot about that.
So if you have indoor cats, be aware that they
like pickle juice.
For some reason they like the fermented water from sauerkraut. So I'm just gonna add some cold water. Here's the hole. I want to make sure I go above the hole and to keep it nice and full like that. It should start burping in a day or two, and in 4 to 6 weeks it should be cut out.
So hey, that's it. You're gonna see, if you stick around our channel, you're gonna see the vlog when we do our Winter Nights Gathering. We're gonna be chowing down on this. We're gonna be putting on hot dogs and all kinds. So we'll put links down below for, if not this crock, then one similar, at least enough to get you going.
Blessing. Johnny. I know.
What?
I know, your dad's getting like unruly.
What's happening? May all of your gatherings be festive, flavorful, and if you can help it, fermented. I know, I don't. Go to vegan. Come on, let's go. I guess I'm doing the cutting?
I guess you put my knife. No, we have to intro and everything. Like, babes, we're making. No! Don't even. Come, what did I say? What did I say? No, come on. Just give it to me.
Ha! So you didn't hit record yet?
Yes, and I'm gonna cut myself.
Well, quit screwing around with it.
Okay.
What are we doing?
An intro. What do we do?
What channel?
Well, I'm in our hidden channel.
Which one's that?
You know which one? The Northwoods Kindred, Hidden Homestead. Or Frey's Pantry.
In this video, we're gonna make sauerkraut. Why? For Oktoberfest. Coming up. Beautiful music.